Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be focusing on a practical skills in Cantonese. How to make a reservation on restaurant. We will go over essential vocabulary, key phrases, and sentence structure to help you confidently to make reservation in Cantonese. First, let's start with some basic words that are essential when making a reservation. 訂位,訂位 is make a reservation. 餐廳,餐廳 we say restaurant. 電話號碼,電話號碼 is phone number. Booking an appointment or reservation, in Cantonese we say 預約,預約 Time is 時間,時間 Number of people is 人數,人數 The next one is 位置,位置 means seats or position. 名,名 is name. These words are the foundation for making reservation. Now let's look at how to use them in context. Here's how you can ask to make a reservation at a restaurant or for an event. A typical sentence structure may go like this. 我想訂一張星期五夜晚6點嘅枱。我想訂一張星期五夜晚6點嘅枱。I would like to reserve a table at the restaurant for 6 p.m. this Friday. Let's break down the sentence. 我想 means I would like to. 訂 means reserve or book. 枱 means table. 星期五 is Friday. 6點 is 6 o'clock, as the sentence already specified at night, 夜晚. Therefore, here it means 6 p.m. While 嘅 is a possessive marker that links the time to the table. We have made a video explaining in details how to use the particle 嘅. If you're unfamiliar with this grammar point, I suggest you to check out the video. I'll put the link on the top right-hand corner. If you need to specify the number of people, you can add 我哋有4個人想訂位。我哋有4個人想訂位。There are 4 of us and we would like to reserve a table. Here, 4個人 means 4 people. You can replace the number to fit your needs. Sometimes you will need to check if there's availability before making reservation. Here's how you can ask. 今晚仲有冇位呀？今晚仲有冇位呀？ Is there still space available tonight? Or 星期六夜晚仲有冇枱？星期六夜晚仲有冇枱？ Is there a table still available on Saturday night? In both sentences, 仲有 means still have, 枱 refers to the table, and 位 refers to the space or the sittings. If the restaurant or the venue is fully booked, you may hear something like 唔好意思，我哋滿座啦。唔好意思，我哋滿座啦。Sorry, we are fully booked. 唔好意思 means sorry or excuse me. 滿座 is fully booked. After making a reservation, it is important to confirm the details. Here's how to do it in Cantonese. 訂位係8點，3個人。訂位係8點，3個人。The reservation is at 8 o'clock for 3 people. You can use this sentence structure to make sure the time, number of people, and the details are correct. If you need to modify your reservation, you can say 可唔可以改時間？可唔可以改時間？ Can I change the time? 可唔可以 literally means can or cannot. It is a typical way to ask for a yes-no question. Yes-no question is a key component of everyday communication. They are essential for asking simple, direct questions and confirming information. Check out my video about yes-no question to know more about it. I'll put the link on the top right-hand corner. Or if you want to cancel, you can say 我想取消訂位。我想取消訂位。I would like to cancel the reservation. 取消 is cancelled. When making reservation, you may have some additional questions. For example, 有冇窗口位？有冇窗口位？ Is there a window seat? 窗口 means window. You can use the same sentence to ask for a window seat on a flight as well. You can also confirm if the restaurant accepts credit cards by asking 你哋收唔收信用卡啊？你哋收唔收信用卡啊？收 is the action of accept or take. 信用卡 is credit card. The last question you will learn today is to ask, can we bring pets? It's getting more and more common for restaurants to allow pets in Hong Kong. Even so, it's the best to ask the restaurant in advance before bringing pets. You can ask, 我哋可唔可以帶寵物？我哋可唔可以帶寵物？寵物 means pets. This type of question can help ensure your reservation experience is comfortable and suited your needs. That's it for today's lesson. Remember to practice these structures and adapt them depending on your needs. Making reservations in Cantonese is a great way to improve your language skills and gain more confidence when communicating in real-life scenarios. Next time, you will learn some grammar. The verb of possession and existence in Cantonese, to have, 有. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. See you all next time. 下次見，拜拜。